Hello everyone, let's start the video. For this, start making some curvy lines with the help of a marker or the sketch pen as shown in the video. Now take a clay and then roll it very nicely and gently and attach it all together on the lines. It will look like this. Now make the leaves with the help of a clay as shown in the video and it's all done. For the next one, take a mask and cut the upper layer out of it and make the small pieces. Now take a clay and then attach it very nicely and start doing it as shown in the video. Repeat the process. Now with the help of a marker, make some leaves and it's done. For the next one, with the help of a marker, start making some horizontal and vertical lines and then attach the clay in the shape of a leaves as shown in the video. Now complete it very nicely. Now take a sheet and do it as shown in the video. Attach it. It's done. For this, with the help of a toothbrush, start making the brushes all over it. Now take a clay and then press it nicely. Now start making some bugs out of it as shown in the video. Repeat the process and it's done. For the next one in the video, tap the bubble wrap around some circular thing and then paint it nicely with the help of a red paint color. Now press it against the sheet. It will look like this. Now take a leaf and paint the leaf with the yellow color and then start pressing it all over in the circular way. Do it very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this. You can use another colors too. Now complete it until it will start looking like a giant flower. Now start making the stem and the leaves with the help of a leaves only. Then make some small dots all over it. It's done. For the next one, take a leaf and then paint it nicely. Now start pressing it against the sheet and then with the help of a fingertip start making small circles and then it's all done. For this one, take a polythene and then wrap it nicely. Now paint the edges of it and then start pressing it all over the sheet very nicely and gently. Now take another color paint and then start making the leaves out of it as shown in the video. Now repeat the process very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this. It's done. For this one, take a marker and then start making the lines all over it. Now make the lines with the help of a different color marker. Now repeat the process very nicely until it will start looking like this. Now start making the small dots on all over the lines we have made earlier. It will look like this and then start making the hands or the bird-like shape. It will look like the people are holding hands and then make the legs out of the lines as shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely. Now take the pencil and make the shades out of it very nicely and gently and complete your drawing and it's all done. Thanks for watching.